Is your dog scared of fireworks? If it is, now's the time to start thinking about doing some training for fireworks night. It's not always the thing that we think about in the summer, but if you're doing a desensitisation program, then start thinking about it now.
This is the Sound Scary program by Dogs Trust. It's a free sound-based training program designed to help desensitise your dog to loud noises like fireworks, bangs and thunder. It includes a series of carefully recorded soundtracks available via SoundCloud, again which is free, that mimic common scary sounds like bangs, whizzes and thunder. You'll also get a step-by-step guide to how to use the sounds gradually and positively, helping your dog build confidence and feel more secure over time.
If you can put your dog through this sound scary training, then you'll have a dog at fireworks night. It's not going to be traumatised by the fireworks that he hears outside.
It's all about slow, calm desensitisation, pairing sounds with rewards and creating a safe space for your dog to learn that loud noises aren't scary at all. Remember, being calm is always the first step in helping your dog remain calm themselves. You're doing a great thing for your dog's well-being, and the best part, it's completely free to download. Give it a try now.